if a plus 2x is 12 more than 18, what is value of 4x? We need to find value of 4x. So we need to find x. What we have given that 8 plus 2x is 12 more than 18. So let me write this. We have 8 plus 2x is 12 more than 18. So if I subtract 12 from this whole expression, this is equal 18. Let's read one more time. 8 plus 2x is 12 more than 18. So when I subtract 12, I have 18. So we have equation 1 unknown. We can take down the parentheses. So we have 8 plus 2x minus 12 is equal 18. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. So we have 2x minus 4 is equal 18. So now we can move negative 4 to the other side. So we have 2x is equal 18. Negative we moved, so will be now positive 4. So we have 2x is equal 18 plus 4 is 22. So we have 2x is equal 22. We need to find x. We have multiplication, so we now divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 22 divided by 2 is 11. We found x. So now we can come back. What we have to find? 4x. So 4x is equal 4 times x is 11. So 4 times 11 is 44. This is my solution.